Assalamualaikum. Hi. So today I would like to explain about how to install the Anaconda tree. And as you know, we use Python language as part of our courses in SFS 3113, Programming and Simulation. So by installing the Anaconda tree, we can use the Python easily because they have compiled all the libraries that we should know and we should do, and it's suitable for physicists, okay, to do the simulation. And here, how to install the Anaconda. First, go to Google search and search Anaconda Python, okay, just Anaconda Python Python. So this is the result from this, and then click here Anaconda Python distribution free download, and you bring here to the website of anaconda.com/distribution. From here, scroll down and you can see this site for the installer. Choose Windows, okay, and there will installer for Windows appear, Anaconda 2019.07 for Windows installer. And then choose Python 3.7 version, the latest version, because we are now focusing on the Python 3. Before this, we are using a Python 2.7, but I get news that Python 2 will discontinue next year. So I think better we focus on the Python 3. And right now we also have a lot of the resources, books, exercise, example. It's easier for us to study the Python 3. It's a little bit different compared to Python 2, makes it easier. So from here, you must pick between 64-bit or 32-bit. So you must know your PC, your computer, is it 32 or 64? How to know? Open my computer, okay, and then go to the local disk. Go to the properties here on the left. Okay, click properties, and then we show the Windows version and your PC, information about your PC. Here in the system type, you can have 64-bit operating system. Okay, so here is put here 64, and so you can choose 64-bit. Graphic installer. Click here, and so the installer will appear, and you can click here save. Okay, you can see here in the left, Anaconda 3 is downloaded. Okay, now click the Anaconda 3, or you can open the file location to find the installer. You can see that file name is Anaconda 3 blah blah blah, and then .exe. So you click here. Okay, appear Anaconda 3, 64-bit, welcome to Anaconda 3. So setup, click next. You can read the user license and then agree. Just me or all user. Next, and then choose the destination folder, and then next. Okay, sorry. So next, and then appear certain setting, then you just next until install. For my cases, because I already installed the Anaconda 3 and I don't want to disturb the installation, so take a few minutes, depend on your speed of your computer, and finally the Anaconda will complete installing. Okay. So I close here, and I also close the Windows, the internet, okay, Chrome. So now, when the Anaconda complete installation, open the start menu on the left, and then search Anaconda. And you can click the Anaconda folder. You can see all this application under Anaconda. And for my cases, I have problem because Anaconda not directly put into the desktop. So I need to right click, choose more, and open file location. So all this application here, choose Anaconda Navigator, right click, and then send to desktop. You create the shortcut, click here, and then go to the Anaconda Chrome, also send to desktop, create shortcut. Jupyter, also you create a shortcut for Jupyter, and lastly will be Spider. Okay. And for Spider you can click and create shortcut. Okay, so your installation will complete. And okay, this one for just my computer, want to show. So this you can see in the middle, sorry. So all of this application for my Anaconda, you have Anaconda Navigator, and Spider, and Jupyter. Jupyter for the web base, for Spider that you will use for calculation, and Anaconda Navigator will open all the main. Okay, click Anaconda Navigator, you can check. Take time, okay, depends on your RAM of your PC, and of course it will take few seconds or sometimes minutes just to complete the so we have some of the logo, the icon here. Take a few minutes, and for your information, I'll tell you in the class, but for your information, Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda is a part of the call is IDE, okay, for integrated development environment. Okay. So here, what all the apps that are related to the Python that we use. Okay, example here, Spider, can click launch. Okay. Or you can click directly through icon Spider here, so it will directly open. So wait a few minutes before the Spider can open. Then okay, I don't know what happened now. I should wait for a minute, I think. Just for Spider it takes time. Okay, here Spider 3. Actually, I don't know why they choose a lot of the different animals in the Python. Anaconda and then Spider here. So thank God they choose Jupyter, which is totally different. But it's okay. So now in Spider, you can write your code there, debug, and also run the code. Okay. On your left, this is the editor. So you can write all your code here, and if you have a problem, so then it will appear here. Okay, this one just delete here. Okay, you can see they have error on the left. Okay, I can scroll, make it big. Okay, you can see, okay, invalid syntax. So they have some problem there. Maybe I can put. Usually use Python 2, so sometimes have an error. Okay, that's the example, and they have an invalid syntax. And then you can print here or print number. Okay. Also here in your right, this is how the Python run, but also this we call as a interactive Python. You can put here 2 plus 1. You can click enter, automatically you can calculate 3. 3 times 2, okay, 6. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. And maybe you want to print Nazrul. Is it come up? Okay, no. You need to put print Nazrul. Okay, sorry. You need to put. This is different between Python 2 and Python 3. You need to put pencils. I'm not sure what happened here. Okay, sorry. still using the style on the Python 2. Don't know why. Okay, here. This is how they print names. Okay, a bit complicated. And here also you can do something. You can print numbers or maybe names. Okay, try run here. Nazrul. See, okay, here is it okay if you run? Okay, this one. Okay, then run. Okay, they have something. They have error here, undefined name. Okay, because it doesn't know the variable we learn here. Okay, you can put here something like that. Yeah, so this in your left, right, they come out the result run. Same from here. Okay, so that's all for this Python 3.7 using Anaconda 3. So thank you very much. We meet again because I don't know when we can start our class because of the haze now. Okay, Assalamualaikum.